In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create graduation cards on Microsoft Word. Creating a graduation card in Microsoft Word is a simple way to make a personalized card for a graduation celebration. You can start with a ready-made card template and then customize the text to match the occasion. First, open Microsoft Word. Once Word is open, you will be on the home page. From here, look toward the top of the screen and click on the Cards option. This will take you to the available card templates that you can use for your project. On the Cards page, you will see many different card designs. These templates can be used for different occasions, so if you do not immediately see a graduation card, you can search for one using the Search option. Click on the Search area and type Graduation. Microsoft Word will then display card templates related to graduation. Take a moment to look through the available designs and choose the one you like best. Once you have selected your preferred graduation card template, click on it to open the template details. Then, click Create to open the card in Microsoft Word. After the template opens, you can begin customizing the text. You can replace the existing text with the information you want to display on your graduation card. For example, you can change the text to include the graduate's name, such as Graduation Jacob. You can also change the date and update other text included in the template so that the card matches your graduation celebration. Simply select the text you want to change and replace it with your own information. Using a template makes the process much easier because the card design is already prepared for you. All you need to do is select a suitable design and personalize the text. This allows you to create a graduation card quickly while still making it feel personal and appropriate for the occasion. Once you have finished changing the text and date, review the card to make sure all of the information is correct and that the details are displayed the way you want them. And that's how you can create a graduation card in Microsoft Word using a ready-made card template and a few simple customizations. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, and subscribe to the channel.